In 1996, a German half-track armored personnel carrier Sd.Kfz 251 named Rosi by German soldiers was recovered from the Pilica River. Vehicles of this type were the most popular and universal armored vehicles of the German army. They were used on all fronts of the World War II. Production of this type of vehicles began just before World War II and lasted until the end of the war. About 16,000 of them were produced, while Rosi was produced in the summer of 1944. The vehicle sank in Pilica on the morning of January 18, 1945 in Tomaszów Mazowiecki during the panic of the Germans fleeing from the approaching Red Army. Rosi was not the only vehicle to sink during this escape. There was also the world's only Sd.Kfz 8 DB-10 Luftig or Sd.Kfz 9 FAMO and several other vehicles. Rosi belonged to a separate communications unit of the 19th Lower Saxon Panzer Division of the Wehrmacht. Mounted on it was a set of radio stations for communication with Luftwaffe aircraft. The vehicle was retrieved from the river on July 26, 1996, in connection with the construction of a new bridge in Tomaszów district, which was being carried out in this place. Almost completely immersed in the sandy bottom of the river, it survived in an almost complete state. Renovation and conservation works carried out in 1996 till 1997 restored its technical efficiency. During the tests, the camouflage with brown and green spots was also recreated on the vehicle's armor. The preserved tactical number of the vehicle 29, registration number WH1743549, and the inscription with its own name, Rosi. On the transporter excavated from the bottom of the river, several hundred artifacts were obtained, which were part of the vehicle's equipment and its crew, including an MG-type machine gun, a Mauser rifle, several radio stations, a generator, helmets, gas masks, canteens, ammunition boxes with cartridges, belts for the MG, a field telephone, a fold-out radio antenna several meters high. In addition, preserved fragments of uniforms, underwear, sweaters, scarves, socks, shoes, toilet, lighters, glasses, leather elements of military equipment, etc. The wealth of preserved items is also supplemented by correspondence from the field mail, most likely belonging to one of the crew members. Today Rosi moves on its own and is one of the many attractions of the Tomaszów Museum. If you want more video about mining, leave a like and a comment.